guys, part 1. Let's begin the game. I have a epic skin Megalodon. Let's begin that. That was loading. Which map? Which map? Oh, this map? I think little bit harder. Okay, let's go. My name in Tamil guys is Ronish G. I'm in this server and I have. Oh ho ho ho. See, I'm falling from. See. Thanks. Oh no. Sir, please help me. Hey. Hey, thanks. Yes. Hey, lucky. I think this is only a little bit harder. Hey, we escaped. I think we can go this like very easy. Oh shit. Hey. No. Yes, we have did it. The first one qualified. One more Megalodon, but we have blue that Megalodon has real. I think that skin is shark. See, we are going to kick it. Okay, let's go to the next game. This is also a little bit harder only, I think. I don't know. I didn't play this map, I think. Okay, let's begin. Oh. They go to that map. Oh my god. Only 8 today. No. They will win. I think this match qualified. No. Yes. We did it. No. Oh. Yes, we did it. Bro. Go. We have done. Nope, we will disqualify. I think we will disqualify. Oh, yes, we disqualified. Okay, let's get back. We can go give leave. We got a trophy.
Where'd they come from?
That was coming before.
Drop your weapon!
We can next shoot the Aegis sniper. Who knows this weapon? We are level 9 now. Next, with this okay, we need to get the trophies. We got 105. Oh, we got a stomach gun. 2000 XP. 750 stars. Another 1000 stars. Go to boss. What we are getting? Reach level 12. Another one more time 1050. Oh, go to boss. You can give for this club. Next we need to unlock this We don't put the premium pass because we will not put epic skin. Oh, Catlari. Epic skin we will get one. Level 42 pass. Okay, that will be little bit. We can accept this too. If you want to give me a friend request, you should like this Rovish, or I will change my name. Firefox. Firefox. Oh, what? Oh my god, now 100. Oh, it's costly. Changing. Okay, let's begin in the mesh. We got Firefox 254. Which map? Yes. A bit harder, I think. Oh, 16 of them for elimination. I think it will be easy. Oh. Yes, we did it. Going to do it. Oh. Oh shit. We should go up. Firefox 254. Oh, our luck. But we didn't hit them. Oh yes. We did it. We should not go inside. Oh shit. I think we can put that in the symbols. I think this is a fixed, but it's nice. 16. Oh, just he was jumped and beginning there was a wild. Hey, here is a unicorn, I think. Hey, samurai and Colonel was doing the same. This is also easy. I think easy. If you like, oh, put it like. Oh, we should go easy. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, go. Hey. Oh yes. Guys, we did it. But I think we will qualify or not. We should see. No. Oh shit. Yes. No. We did it. Shit. The samurai qualified. Okay, we can leave. One more time we was not with the trophy. Free price was Please win. Oh, nice. Please, any epic thing or legendary object. Special. Yeah. Oh my god. Just guys. Special. McCready. Trophy. Dark future. I'm going to find this online device. We can go. What another we can get? Shit. This bush. Oh guys, epic. No. Hey. Shit. Okay, let's begin the match. Let's see who you are. Your enemy. See the Megalodan was spinning and dancing. See his teeth. Okay, we can go. Let's go to another. I'm Prisma. Surfing board. Yes! Let's go! We're going to win, I think, this match. First map even easy, I think. Oh! Yes! We're going! Oh my god! Yes, sir! No! Please! Yes, sir! No! Yes, sir! So qualified! Yes! Super real video. We have qualified. Qualified to second round, third round for one time also. Yes, I think a little bit easy or we shall say this is hard. That means only we can win. Firefox. Pachan name was here. No. Can I make him music? That like only no. Oh shit! We will not qualify. I got qualify, please. Megalodan, power. Oh shit! Guys, nothing will be happening. We will not qualify. We didn't pass even first level. Yes, sir. Man, are you thinking I am a man? I am not a man. Yes, sir. We didn't qualify. Yeah. We should leave. Wait a minute. You can see which one is smart. Hey, someone became a ball. Okay, we can leave. Only one to qualify. guys, so I'm at guys, so I think I can skip. This ads are very boring. Hunt and seek. I heard hide and seek, but they are saying hunt and seek. Oh, sorry. We got it wrong. We need the skin. The bodybuilder. Ha ha ha. Hey, we're going to get 3,750. We'll get this. Okay. So 750. Level 13. 1,500. Level 14 only near, guys. We should wait. Customization. Only pick Pinocchio skin we have. Hey, this guy I got before the sportsman. Pinocchio. Oh my god. Animation we have this epic. Sparks we have only common. Okay. Epic. Wait. Rare only we have, I think. Get it? I can give. Tumble bus. 300 level. Oh my god. Oh my god. This I know means I can next season we go. Next station we are going to buy the season pass. How much they ask? That means we will get these all things we will get, guys. But we can't admit that one is for me saddest. 1,200. We should save the gems. Oh, this one I think easy. Let's begin the stumble. Hey. Oh, this is not bad. This is negative side. Oh, see. Hey, ball. I'll go this way. Hi. Hey, I'm laughing. Ha. See. Oh, shit. Hey. Oh, we are lucky. Hey, SpongeBob character. Who is that? Going to go this way. Oh, guys. I think the anyone. This is easy, guys. No ways. Hey, gummy bear. Two gummy bears. Ugly. Boys. No. Level 15. I need the spots. 1,500. Okay, let's go to another machine. Oh, guys, yesterday. How they win? I don't know. I think this is a little bit harder. The purple rose acid, I think. Yes. Oh shit. Yes. Yes, sir. Oh shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We didn't try for. We didn't try for one time. We didn't try. Oh, okay. We came here. Oh. See. Wait. Yes, sir. Guitar. We should be qualified. Yes, sir. Hey, white shirt. Dal hey. Oh shit. Just he was out. Hey, go first. Eliminate. Hey, banana guy. I'm going to select the guys. Oh shit. I'm going to spec here. Here, I think they will qualify this much, guys. Hey. Only 3 of them. I think we qualified. One girl is standing there and no, we are not qualified. We are here, we are here, Firefox 24. This way. Hey, 3 of them same day. 4. We need equals, we need pieces to win. Oh, I think we will not qualify. Why mean this is order? Banana guy was easy. Hey! Oh. Yes. Hey! Yes. Hey. Bro. Yes. Yes, we did 8. Oh, one guy was qualified. Yes, sir. 6, we have qualified. Hey, yes, we have qualified to finals. Final qualifiers. I did easy, please, guys. You should win one house. I think that water. What? This is no. No. Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey. Two of them, both. Yes. If we get 3. Wait. No. Guys, he great. Power. Oh Okay, guys. Eliminated qualified to semi-finals. Power Ranger, pink Power Ranger. Hey you, this is a boring ad, please. I'm going to skip. Okay. Hey you did. What we have qualified? Trophies. Here also. I think when people shop. We can try one time this. I watch it. Hey. Don't show the same at home. No, different I think. Now qualified super. This is perfect. This is Hey. Please, any epic skip. Power Ranger was here. You find it. And no code. Hey.
30 minutes ago, I was an unknown director. Look at where I shot. How poor. And no one sees any of my movies. What now? I keep unlocking these items. Oh, and more. Then it's time to get the actors moving. What? I even won an Oscar.
Come and click to download.
Guys, we are going to try one more time. We should get one rare seat. Guys, this ad is very boring. Hey. Go. Hey, go. We should go. Everyone was not legendary also. Special. I don't like it. One more time. Guys, I'm going to fight. Argentina, Messi. Hey, Germany. Guys, வாக்காளர்களை இந்த கடைசி கட்டத்தில் லோக்சபா கான்ஸ்டிட்யூன்சிகளுக்கு அந்த I didn't ask legendary also. I asked this 250. I need 250 token only. Oh shit. This was so bad.
கன்னியாகுமரி பிளான் வந்து ஏற்கனவே இப்போ 2 நாட்களுக்கு முன்பாக அறிவிப்பு வர்றதுக்கு முன்னால நான்
31% epic.
ஆனா ஏனோ அயோத்தி
What is the rarest? 4% OD.
விவேகானந்தரை போல நாமும் இருந்தால் மிகப்பெரிய துறவியாக
Megalodonus?
மக்கள் மனதில் நம்ம வந்து
Wait a minute.
இடம் பிடித்தால் மக்கள் திரும்பவும்
This Megalodonus.
எதிர்பார்க்கிறாரோ
Epic.
என்னவோ எனக்கு தெரியல.
Guys, something is fishy. And it's like, see this biceps. Wait, epic only now? Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. What a epic or legendary, you can see. Epic, epic. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Sharp tooth. What the heck? I need Mr. Beast. Jail time Jimmy. Briefcase Jimmy. This guy is very nice, but I don't need. I need it. T-Rex. Cyber Jimmy. I thought he was. Hey. Then where is Mr. Beast? Ninja Metal Alien Metal Hatchet. Single line. Hey, Samurai. Bambos. Hey, kill. What? Lion, Lonely Shot. Kiara. Scratchy. Ninja Ryu. Mr. Go Beast. Hey, Super Beast. Master Slow. Effie. Blossom. Something. No. Mr. Beast. Special skin 0.5 seconds. Epic skin only 85. Legendary skin. No problem. I need epic skin only. So only I need this stumble. Wait a moment. Next 20. How many I have? Hey. And 25 into 11, 30. I am level 10. I am going to go. Shop 71 I have. Plus 20. 91 I have. And I need. What is this? I want to go. Firefox 24, great job, OP. CSDT 2E. Emotes. Extra twice 25. Aishi. 8 players only. I don't know how to play. Showdown tournament. Hey. Quickly join, please. What? Hey. I'm alone only. One more time. Oh, I need to. Yes, sir. Only inside also. Only three after, please come in. Gosh. One. Sweets, yes, only two. V, bracket, V, I think straight line, bracket, and slash. Yes, so we get it. Yes, so tournament, how do we play? No. Oh, I think we will get. Yes. Hey. Yes, sir. Oh my God, we have eliminated. I think we should leave. Okay. We can enter this. Oh shit, I give the diamond. Price 15 to 5. 2-4 players. Let's see what how many? 10. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's buy. Bye guys. Do you need to play with me? Put the name 54254. Come and play with me. Stumble guys. Bye.